Dilawar, do you mind telling us a little bit more about you? Where are you from and what you have done and so far, and what's your journey so far?
Yeah, sure.
Over to you. Yeah.
So I'm basically from India, from Mumbai, but I moved to Canada, and I'm working as a cloud engineer. And the best part of my thing is I joined K21 and completed my AWS Architect and SysOps exams.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
And
you've done SysOps as well. SysOps is not easy, man. So big congratulations. You've done SysOps. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. Yeah. Over to you. Sorry to interrupt. Yeah.
Yeah. So I started with SysOps and then I did Architect other way around.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and recently I did Terraform also because it is related to my project I work on. So most of the cloud, we use the Terraform to set up the clusters and Azure as well as the AWS side.
Brilliant.
So I use those and all thankful to you actually for the K21 guides and everything. Yeah.
No, thanks means a lot to us, Dilawar. And again, your objective for coming was because you were already having, or was it clearing the certification or the job, or just the certification? What was the main objective of attending this program, or just a knowledge?
Yeah. No, it was a certification first. But what I like about the K21 is the base resource you can use for all the projects I working on. So suppose I'm doing a lot of AWS related like FSX or cluster, AWS cluster, and how I can use those. And most of the time, I use K21 guides as my first preference to complete any project. So that is the best part about K21, that you have a very nice resource on all the guides.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Means a lot. Just very quick question on Dilawar. Now, someone who is preparing for AWS Solution Architect, or you said SysOps, and what's your feedback on Dilawar? You know me knowing, but correct me as well and fix me. Do you think these certifications help, or the knowledge, or what's your view? Again, but looks like you've done the certification. Everyone wrote certification. So fix me and tell me why I'm not still buying in onto the certifications, and fix me that my mindset.
I will refer like a lot of people to do the certification because it helps you to make a weightage on your resume when you're applying for any job. Yeah.
Gotcha. So anyone who is preparing for certification, what do you think they should be doing or shouldn't be doing? What did you think? Couple of things, maybe 1, 2, 3, which helped you in the certification, or something, oh, it doesn't help, don't do that, but do this for certification.
The best part about K21, which you will compare to other resources on the online companies, any online companies I have seen, or there's another one I was referring to before, but I just avoided all those and I joined K21 based on the presentation you did on the first time when I joined your presentation, and I was very impressed because it's very honest. What I find about your presentation, like you the words, like whatever you are telling us, you're providing those stuff to us. So that is number one. Second, I found all the questions on the K21 are the best resource. I didn't buy any other stuff. I just used those questions as my exam point of view, and everything was there, and I used those, and it helped me out.
Brilliant. So just to say for everyone's benefit, we have certification exam questions. All those are part of job-oriented program. We have multiple certifications. Each certification has a question answer, and within question answers also, we don't just simply say, hey, this is the answer, that is the answer. We also give you explanation why this answer is correct and why others are not correct. That way you will learn as well. So if any point in time you find a question which is not giving those explanation, and then please ask team or raise a support ticket so that we may add the explanation as well. Okay, I just wanted to explain about Dilawar. Dilawar mentioned one more thing about Terraform. So just for everyone's benefit, I'll explain you. Terraform is a infrastructure automation tool, which means you can automate build of either on-premise or cloud. That's what Dilawar was asking about. Thanks, Dilawar. Thank you very much, Dilawar.